me take it across to Gaurav to get a better understanding what we should expect from ICICI Bank come tomorrow.
Well, yes, in an environment where loan book growth and asset quality is one of the concerns for banks, ICICI Bank is all set to come up with the good set of numbers as per consensus. What they're saying is that the loan book growth can be in the tune of around 14%, which is higher than industry growth, and at the same time deposit growth can be in the tune of 16%, once again higher than the industry growth. And as a result, when we talk about net interest income, we may see a growth of around 10%. Now, net interest income may not grow at a tune with loan book growth because of the higher cost of deposit, and that is the reason why when we talk about net interest margins also, Street is expecting some kind of moderation of 4 basis points in net interest margins in this quarter. But other than that, fee income is likely to be strong, and that is the reason PPOP can grow at a rate of around 12%. Lastly, when we talk about profitability, it is expected to grow somewhere in the range of 10% on a year-on-year basis because of the provisions in this quarter, because let's not forget that Q3 is usually weak in terms of agri loans, and that is the reason KCC loans is something that we will need to be watched out for in ICICI Bank. Other than that, when we talk about some other aspects, asset quality is not going to be one of the concerning areas for ICICI Bank as per consensus, because the bank has already maintained one of the strong asset qualities across the industry, and with this they will also come up with one of the strong ROAs as per consensus. Lastly, things to watch out, we will be watching out on deposit growth, any kind of commentary on the growth from the bank and management, how they are anticipating the growth, any kind of commentary on net interest margin, and lastly, overall business outlook is also something that we will be watching out for from the management. But all in all, when it comes to numbers, good set of number is what we are expecting from ICICI Bank in third quarter.